Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious okra soup. Start by washing 1 pound of fresh okra very well under cool running water. Carefully trim off both ends, then slice the okra into neat, half-inch thick rounds. Prepare your aromatics by finely dicing 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small piece of ginger. This initial preparation is key for a great soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over a steady medium heat. Once the oil shimmers, add the finely diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small piece of ginger. Sauté these aromatics for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully fragrant and translucent. This crucial step extracts their sweet and pungent notes, building a robust flavor foundation for your okra soup. Now it is time to add your protein of choice to the pot. Consider 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, or 1 pound of peeled, deveined shrimp. Brown the chicken lightly for about 7 to 10 minutes, or if using shrimp, cook for just 2 minutes until it begins to turn pink. Next, pour in 4 cups of flavorful chicken or vegetable broth. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, letting those initial flavors deepen. With your soup gently simmering, it is time to carefully add the sliced okra to the pot, stirring it in gently. Allow the okra to cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until it reaches your desired tenderness. Be mindful not to overcook it, as this helps maintain its lovely texture and minimizes any sliminess. Finally, season your soup with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, tasting and adjusting to perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.